Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to this month's edition of Days in the Life, and it just so happens to be a holiday weekend. We are observing Memorial Day, which is usually the last Monday of May, and it is a time for us to remember our fallen heroes of the armed forces here in the United States. And it's also a 3-day weekend, so families go out, have a good time enjoying, but first things first, coffee. Trying to remember what I ordered. Oh, that's right. Replacement bands for my Garmin watch. Well, aside from the fact that this has been broken for probably the last 2 years, but the little strap that goes around this finally snapped off. I have no clue how. It just did. So, gonna replace the old band. I guess someone's having a party down the street. We've been cooped up inside for most of the day, and time for a little fresh air and get some scenery. Sunny Memorial Day. Very quiet too. It's one of the things I love about a holiday is that streets are quiet, not too many cars, not too many people on the streets. It's fantastic. I'm gonna enjoy it as much as possible. Originally, we wanted to cook something to barbecue with, but instead we got lazy and went for takeout. Filipino barbecue. Alrighty friends, thank you so much for joining me during this holiday weekend. I hope you had a good time. I'm going to continue enjoying my smoothie and finish off my afternoon walk. But do come back next week as I have a whole new adventure just waiting for you. So stay tuned for that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. I'll see you all next time.